Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to play music on Google Home. With your Google Home or Nest speaker, you can enjoy music from various streaming services using voice commands or the Google Home app. Now, this guide will walk you through setting up your preferred music service and controlling playback. So let's start by opening the Google Home app on your smartphone or tablet. Unlock your Android or iOS device, then locate and tap on the Google Home app icon to launch it, which I've done here. Now let's link your favorite music streaming service to your Google Home. In the Google Home app, go ahead and tap on the settings at the bottom right corner of the screen, and it's going to take you to this place. So from here, within the settings window, go ahead and click on Google Assistant. So from Google Assistant, from this window, go ahead and click on Manage All Assistant Settings, and it's going to take you here. Scroll all the way down until you find Music. Now tap Music. On the More Music Services, go ahead and tap the link icon, this link icon connected that is next to your preferred services. Example, Spotify, YouTube Music, Apple Music. So once you tap on it, I'm not going to complete this process so that a sound will not be played, all right, due to certain restrictions, but just go ahead and click on the link icon that is right next to your preferred service. And once you're done, follow the on-screen instructions to sign in and link your account. Now, some services may require a premium subscription for full functionality. To make things easier, you can set your default music service. Now, after linking your music service, you can return to the music settings here. And under your music services, which is the first category, select the service you want as default. Okay? Now, setting a default allows you to omit the service name in voice commands. So go ahead and play some music using voice commands like, hey Google, play jazz music. Hey Google, play this, and Google will just help you play. That's it. So you can control music playback directly from the Google Home app. Open the Google Home app, tap on the device that's playing the music. Use the on-screen controls to pause, play, skip tracks, or adjust the volume. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.